Keith, you nailed it when you were talking about it for first weather. A wind hold as of 10 a.m. for Skyline and Timberline.
Yep.
Right there at Sugarloaf.
Timberline's like always on wind hold.
Sure.
Skyline is one that is nice to have, but here's the thing. I know this because of disappointment I've had in the past. Like, it's not just Sugarloaf. Sunday River, same thing.
This is where my eyes are going. See these two
Oh,
flags,
yeah, it's
how
very
much
windy.
they're really blowing.
Yeah,
Obviously the snow's falling, but I'm seeing that, and I'm watching the
I
clouds.
was going to say, look at the
too.
clouds. Look
Yeah.
how fast the clouds are moving. So
Wow.
yeah, that tells you something. But you know what? If the bag is and the kettle's still open, you're having a good day there. That's all. I mean, I've tried to meet up with Gutner to go. We've skied one run, Coco, and he's there like every weekend, and I'm just like, where are you? Every time he says, well, I'm at the bag. So I'm like, okay, so you're there. The skis are nice and pristine still. I get it. It's a lifestyle. Northwest winds very gusty out there. Rangeley's the closest, reading 25 miles an hour. Sometimes I don't think Saddleback's open yet. I want to say they're opening this weekend.
They're doing a day. We said it yesterday. I believe they're open this weekend, then they close for a weekend, and they reopen for the full season the following weekend.
Yeah, just weekends.
I'll triple check that while you do the forecast.
Well, I was going to say sometimes they do a little bit better there on northwest winds because it goes right up the mountain. It's not great in your face, but it doesn't close as many lifts. 15 in Portland, that's the wind chill. Feels like 3 below in Rangeley, 12 in Bangor. And that's the story today. We've talked about it. It's cold and windy. Feels like just the middle of winter here, right? These are readings you would see in January and February easily. So really cold stuff. It is nice and bright, nearing our earliest sunset of the year, December 8th. Usually, sometimes it's December 9th, but somewhere in there, and then we start losing it from the morning, not so much from the evening. So sunsets won't get much earlier than they are right now, if that makes you feel any better. Hour by hour forecast showing you those winds still kicking around. Tonight they start to settle down a bit, but it's still breezy, temperatures in the teens and single digits. And then tomorrow's a mixture of sun and clouds. It is a bit warmer than today, upper 20s, low 30s, mountains in the teens. Winds, again, will not be quite as strong. And then this little batch of snow coming through Saturday night and Sunday has quietly ramped up over the last couple of days. We've been keeping you attuned to that, but it's looked a little beefier, and now I'd consider it a period of light snow Saturday night after midnight in through early on Sunday, and this doesn't look bad. I mean, temperatures are cold too, so this time around the coast will deal with snow, not a mixture of rain and snow, and that snow will continue through, looks like kind of the early morning hours, except for down east, which will take until the middle of the day to get this thing out of here. It's actually a nice afternoon potentially behind that with temperatures in the 40s, but we're looking at accumulating snow there. I might draw a map later today, but I think the models are doing quite a good job with it. So I'll show you this model output, which shows 1 inch to up to 2 along the coastline and inland. And then the mountains might squeeze 3 or 4 out of it in the highest terrain, really, really fluffy blow away snow for the most part. So that's Sunday, that's the weekend, it looks cold. We've got a system moving in Monday night. It's going to have to dislodge this cold air, and whenever that's the case, I get a little bit nervous about mixed precipitation in the form of freezing rain and then snow on the north side of that. So we'll watch that for Monday night. It's got quite a cold wedge to dislodge. It will do that eventually. On Tuesday, we'll have a mild day. And then Wednesday's mild, but it comes with rain and potentially some wind. So it's really fairly active, fairly stormy next week. It's not as cold as this week, but there's a lot going on there. So yeah, this weekend, again, I kind of upgraded that to a period of light snow. I would consider it with a few inches possible. It's not going to be as much as our last clipper, but the coast, which saw almost no snow, will probably have its first snow on the ground Sunday morning. And then we'll deal with next week. I don't like I said, I don't like when a warm wedge like that is trying to dislodge a really cold air mass, because that's often where you get those little freezing rain signatures and all that. So that would be Monday night. We'll deal with that.
And all the ripple effects from it. By the way, on Saddleback, it was what we said. Opening day is today.
Okay.
They'll be open for the weekend. Then they close Monday through Thursday. Then the following Friday, they're open for the season.
And then vacation and everything after that.
Exactly.
Okay, got it.
All right. Thanks, Keith.